Hi, this is the FarmSight web application, a smart farming platform built during the gaiathon 2025. So when users first visit this FarmSight page, they land on this elegant page showing our mission, that is simply empowering farmers, ending losses and securing futures. There are two buttons here as we see, register now button, that is if you want to go ahead and create an account, or the read more button, that is if you want to read more about FarmSight and also get the details of the developers that built this web application. On your top right, we have the sign in button, that is if you've already created an account with us. When you scroll down, you get to see the core features of this web application. As we've listed over here, yield forecasting, anomaly detection, WhatsApp or SMS alerts, dynamic crop calendars, and NDVI health tracking. We also have other information like the platform overview, the real world impact, multiple data sources such as satellites, weather, soil, and so on. The platform highlights who specifically this application is for, and also why should you choose this web application at the first place. You could also simply rate our performance with other existing solutions. So this is the register page, and this to grab the details of our users. And this is the sign-in page, that is if you've already created an account with this web application. So once a user signs in, the dashboard becomes accessible to them. And also the settings page, they have the opportunity to access the settings page and also log out if they would like to. The settings page gives them an opportunity to edit their details, the details they used for logging in. So after signing in, we get to access the dashboard. And when we click on the dashboard, we get to access these scaffolded pages, such as the yield forecasting page, market trend, farm insights, and anomaly alerts. So after signing up or signing in, farmers land on their personalized dashboard as you see over here. They have the opportunity to add a new field. And after adding a new field, they get to see the NDVI trend, also a field map of where their crop is being planted, NDVI classes, and also the status of the soil graph. And also, when you click or hover over this hamburger icon, you get to see the yield forecasting page, the market trends, the farm insights, as well as the anomaly alerts. The yield forecast visualizes optimal soil grow harvest windows, while the market trends helps the farmers to sell when prices are peak. The anomaly alerts, real-time alerts warn about drought, floods, or pests before it.
Okay, so these are the web API endpoints for the FarmSight app. We have APIs for the alerts. So this stores the alerts about a farmer's farm or field. Say the NDVI is dropping and stuff like that. So this is just its endpoints that are used to either delete an alert or insert an alert or retrieve an alert. And we also have our authentication. So for these are the endpoints that the farmer uses to register an account or log into the account. We also have other endpoints for the other entities, such as the benchmark snapshot. So for the benchmark snapshot, that's basically the endpoints that let us know how a farmer's farm compares averagely on with other farmers in some region. And we also have the crop calendar. So these are the API endpoints to provide us with the crop calendar. So that's the predicted harvest time and planting season. And this is also the endpoint to fetch EO data that has already been stored inside the database, so we can retrieve a history of EO data about a particular field. And these are also endpoints to retrieve data from the Sentinel hub. Uh, and these are also API endpoints to access the farmer details and stuff like that. And also, this is also for the field as well to access the endpoint or about the field, who the field is for, and the centroid of the field. So that's what we use to find the bounding box when we are fetching the data, and also for the AIML activity going inside the app. And we also have the message log. So these are also endpoints where we can use to fetch the message logs, and also which farmer that message log belongs to. And we also have the yield forecast as well. So for the yield forecast, these are also endpoints that provide us with data to know when it is advisable to harvest the particular crop we are planting on our field. Yes, so this is the backend for FarmSight. Thank you.